What's the tea, everybody? Hi, I'm Elaina, Glam or La Diva Deluxe. La the Deluxe is here on Fridays. And today is Friday because Friday is a drag. And we are doing this look. And this is She Devil. Pretty much came up with this myself just to test the new powders. We're testing the new powders by Indi Cosmetics. And it's all color setting powders. And there's one powder named after me. So that's going to be real exciting. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on social media. So let's get right into this. So thank you so much, Indi Cosmetics, for sending me over the box. So here's the PR box. It has all the color powders, and this is new Chroma colored setting powders. Each one runs for $18, and there's also a bundle which is 150 bucks. No, 100, yeah, 150 bucks, 189 bucks is a bundle for foundations. I'm trying to make it quick because I'm wearing sclera for the first time in my life and my eyes are on fire. So I need to take them out as quickly as possible, so sorry. But we're going to be using just black, white, and red. And ta-da! White is named after me. It's called Elaina White. And I'm going to show you. There you go. The receipts and deleted tweets. Oh, no, I'm not painting my arms red because I'm already exhausted and my eyes are hurting. So this is all you get from here up. So I used a lot of this. I used everything you'll see. Quick tutorial, voiceover. I used this for setting. I said white, I said red and black. And yeah, pretty much. I like the powders. You're gonna see it right away. The color especially has so much pigment. Like the red and black. White is a lot. I mean, white is white, but the colors are amazing. So without further ado, if you guys are interested, everything is gonna be listed in the description box. I don't have any affiliate links. I don't get any commission from this, so I'm just like letting you know that this exists and this is a new product. So foundations, I believe foundations are 20 bucks each. Yeah, the foundations I used as well. So Indi Cosmetics is an indie brand. It's a small brand on Instagram, but they blew up big because they created this unique product that's colored foundation, which is not grease paint, but it's foundation. And foundation is, I mean, it's foundation, right? So it's not greasy. So it's the perfect thing for all the face paint, for all the creative artists. So you can create anything with it. And it comes like in all kinds of colors. And now she came up with all the setting powders with the corresponding colors, which is brilliant, just brilliant. So they're loose setting powders like this. Inside, you're gonna see in the video. I'm gonna show you. So there you go, that's black, and there's white and red somewhere around here. But if you guys are interested, everything's gonna be linked in the description box. So I love to support indie brands, especially a small one-woman show like India. She did great, and I wish you all the success. So this is PR, this is gifted, so just disclaiming. So let's get right into the demon tutorial, and you'll see what I used. So I'm using Indi Cosmetics colored foundations first, Dem Sponge, and I'm using light to dark. I'm going to use white and red first. It's really easy to use. I'm not going to show on camera black because it's just a tedious process. I pretty much kind of had in mind the lines that go with the kind of evil demon face. Evil but snatched. Last year for Halloween I did like a special effects liquid lights, pretty much like a male demon with a bald cap. It was terrifying. So this year I was inspired by actually Doja Cat song Painted Town Red, and I did a TikTok to that, trying to be relevant. So I did the red. So I'm starting with these lines with a small brush, and now I'm going to use all the reds, and then off camera I'm gonna use black. Well, you'll see a little bit on camera, but I'm gonna do most blending off camera, pretty much in the same places where the shadows are, like around my body and on my face, and blend it just all out with a sponge afterwards.
I want to create a depth around the eyes, a lot of black, obviously. Foundation is very, very pigmented, so I decided to use foundation as a base, not a gel liner, because this is full face paint, so I might as well use foundation instead it was black later. The only concern was the black landing on the lighter areas because it's a loose powder, so that was the only thing. The areas, the small areas, the harder to set, just for that reason. But the foundations, though, is so pigmented. I love this foundation, the black one. So this is my Elaina White. I'm so proud of myself. So I'm setting white with white. I mean, it's not pure white because it's a demon, so I wanted to like blend into red, so it's not. It doesn't have to be like very bright white, but it works very well. I wouldn't say it's like a white eyeshadow that would be like so opaque that would create white, complete white, But it works. I would say red and black are more pigmented, but I mean, I guess it's a nature of pigment. Red, just easier to make it more opaque, I guess. I don't know. But the red, see, I'm very impressed. I'm shooketh. I love the red and the black as well. And the black, I used actually a small sponge off camera. I didn't show you because I had, like I said, I had the issue with that, and I was afraid of the fallout. Even though the red and white are already set, still, like, I don't want land the red to land.
So this is my she devil look. She's hot and evil. It's like everything. Awkward. So this is for you Fridays I drag, but it's not quite drag. I mean, it's drag, but it's like evil devil drag. So what I think about the powders, I used only three of them. Mine, actually, my namesake, Elaina Glam, Elaina White. So that one is actually kind of like the least opaque, I would say, but it's white, It sets real well though, like you could be dry immediately. And I would recommend if you're doing something like this, like it's very creepy, but if you want white not to mix with black, and this is very tough, I use white first, like the way I did it, and then use red, and then use black, obviously, because otherwise the fallout. And there's still a little fallout, so I would say I would use this next time, the black one, for large areas instead. If you're using it for small areas like this, it could fall out easily and mess up the rest. So I would be very careful and just use it like, something big like here. It was easier. But like in the smaller lines, probably like a pressed eyeshadow is easier to use. But this is great for large areas. Like the white and the red was so bright. The red is so pigmented. Amazing. So yes, I love them. And I do recommend them. So check them out. They're 18 bucks each. And you get quite a bit of product. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Do you wear sclera? And have you worn Mocha Queen? Because right now my eyes are on fire. On fire. Like, I'm not kidding you. I do not like this at all. I'm about to take them off. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And just subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And follow me on social media. All the links are down below. So thank you all for watching. And I'll see you in my next fabulous video. Bye!